Hey, what's up, coin hunters? Right, welcome to an unboxing video. In this video, we are going to unbox and add to the folder the Gruffalo 50p piece. So, first thing we're going to do is go to the page it's going to go on, which is here in the folder. Now, you may notice I got a new folder. Let's go up a bit. There we go. Yeah, so I got a new folder. I've actually imported these sleeves that I'm testing out, and they fit a regular folder, which is nice. So I'm thinking they may fit the change checker folders. They have little tabs in it as well. Stop your coins flying everywhere. So let's have a look at the Gruffalo 50p. Let's get it to focus. There we go. So you can see, sorry for the dust on it. It's been sitting on the shelf for a while because I haven't had time to do the unboxing video. There we go. So you can see the Gruffalo is looking down at the mouse. Basically, it's one of the scenes from the Gruffalo book and show, or movie, show, whatever you want to call it. You can see the mouse just down here. A bit of grass, then the Gruffalo with a little butterfly flying along. So, hopefully, there's not too many scratches on it, but I have noticed there is a fingerprint on the Queen's side. Can you see it there over the pence? So I've never opened it, and I'm hoping that fingerprint is on the outside, not the inside. So we're gonna crack it open, and hopefully it is on the outside and not the inside. And no, you can clearly see it there. Oh, let's get it to focus. Focus. Oh, there we go. So you can see clearly there is a fingerprint on my uncirculated Gruffalo. There it is on the pence. So I'm going to quickly wipe it off using the green towel. Hopefully it will come off. Well, it should, hopefully. Oh, there we go. So now it's nice and clean. So not, besides that, there might be a little mark where the 50 is, just by that 0. But nothing else. I don't know if that's dust above the Queen's forehead there. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop it out onto the desk, discard the packaging because we don't want the packaging over there, and then holding on the edge, we'll have a look and see the quality of this coin. So the edging is really nice. Obviously it's got fingerprints on it, but the actual coin itself, there we go, isn't too bad. Apart from that fingerprint, we haven't got one that's got any scratches or any dings, too many dings to it. And same with the Queen side. Very cool. So apart from that fingerprint, which tells me the person who put it in the packaging wasn't wearing white gloves, there isn't anything wrong with it. Right, so we're going to put it in the folder. The thing is with these folders, they're quite tight to get them in, which is quite nice. So it actually holds the coin firmly. So what I like to do is just loosen the top a little bit. Hold on to the edges of the coin because I don't want too many fingerprints on it. And it's in there, and then we're going to just slide it down. And then trying to keep it straight as possible. Down. It's gone a little bit wonky, but that's all right. And there we go. So a slightly wonky Gruffalo has been added to the collection. So which one do you like better? Do you like the second incarnation? Come on, focus. or the first one. I prefer the second one. So yeah, so that's the Gruffalo. Finally going in the book. I've had it for a while. I do have another one that I will be giving away. I'm gonna have to straighten that up, aren't I? Gonna be giving away soon. Hopefully, there we go. Before Christmas. Come on, you. There we go. I think I may have got a little fingerprint on the top of it, but that's all right. There we go. Nice and straight now. So guys, thank you very, very much for watching. I know it was a bit late. The Gruffalo has been out for a few weeks. I've just been super busy when it comes to doing stuff, so I haven't been able to record unboxing videos, but I have a few more coming up. So guys, thank you very, very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. So take care, guys, and happy coin hunting. Goodbye.